Hello, everyone, and welcome to DHWE's Do It Yourself Healthy and Homemade Beauty Recipe Tips. Tonight we'll be discussing yogurt. Yogurt and the health benefits inside and out. Yogurt has many health qualities like lactic acid and vitamin B. These two work together to give you that moisturizing, beautiful glow after you use your yogurt face mask. And not only does it smell delicious, it also is very, very good for your skin. It's an awesome anti-inflammatory. And the CDC even says it's known to help against psoriasis, eczema, and other skin diseases. Tonight we're going to try our very own do-it-yourself brightening yogurt face mask. The ingredients are simple. All you'll need is a half a cup of Greek yogurt, the small cups, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of oats. Me personally, I went ahead and pre-mixed mine. So it looked kind of like this. You'll have the oats and you'll have the honey mixed in with the yogurt. It does smell pretty good. It smells like a parfait. So it's like a parfait for your face. A parfait for your face. So now, you'll want to wash your face and have your face already clean before we begin this. It's very important to go ahead and detoxify and de-makeup and get all that stuff off your face and off your pores. Then you want to mix all your ingredients together, of course, which I've already pre-mixed mine. And then you want to apply a thin layer to your face. The yogurt isn't going to be thick and like Noxzema or nothing like that because it's yogurt. And it has live cultures in it. So I let mine sit for a little second because when I first mixed it, it was a little runny. So I let it sit for a little second to thicken up a little bit. So as you can see, I just use my gloves and I just take some because I don't have my face brush. So I just rub it on my skin. And just a thin layer. Be careful not to get it in the eyes as it could irritate your eyes very badly. But you can get it in your mouth because it's really delicious. So you see I put a thin layer just to sure to get, all of the yogurt so that it can get the properties and begin to work into my skin. Now again, yogurt has anti-aging properties for your skin, brightening effects, moisturizer, and many other good qualities. The lactic acid and the vitamin B, like I said earlier, work together. And those are the two things that mainly control all that little stuff in there and gets it working for you. So I'm going to go rinse and come right back and show you guys how bright and moisturized my face feels. Be right back.
2 hours later.
Okay, I'm back. Now I can say that my face does feel a lot more moisturized. It does indeed feel softer. Now I can feel and see a little glow. Now it is said that the yogurt helps to reduce brownness or darkness under eyes as well if you use it twice a week. So we'll come back another time this week and we'll see how it does. I'll use it again and I'll start putting this in my beauty regimen to see if it works. But it does, I can say, make my skin feel a lot softer. Now when I first applied it and let it sit for a few minutes, it did tingle a little bit. So I looked it up, and it really was just that the ingredients were getting quickly to work to help brighten and moisturize and tone my skin. So if you guys enjoyed my video, just like and share and comment. And don't forget to try our do-it-yourself yogurt mask. It doesn't hurt. Give it a try. Bye, you guys. See you again next time.